Here we've got a Nissan X Trail 2003 2.2 diesel. It's T30 version. Little problem with dash illumination. The backlight isn't working on the speedo. Now I've seen some of these where this panel just pulls forward, but on this particular model it's actually got two screws, one behind here, one behind here. So you just have to get your finger in behind there. I've already started that one like that, and then like that, and just carefully, don't just yank it on the very end, just run your fingers along, and then you see there's a screw in there, screw there. Just take these out. This one, not actually, oh dear. Nice close up of the steering wheel, sure you really needed that. And then just get your fingers under and give it a little tug forward, because it's got some clips on the back, and it slides forward towards you. Don't try and lift it up because you'll break the clips off. And then there's 4 screws that just hold this instrument cluster itself in. Could do the magnetic screwdriver really on this. Well, I'll get a little pair of long nose pliers or a magnet if you've got a magnet. That one came off, thank you. Quite a simple little operation this. At least you haven't got to pull half the dash off to get to it. Yeah, not really left-handed, so that'll come out. Thank you. See, not everything goes perfectly just because you're filming it. Right, now to pull, just get the instrument cluster out. It should just come straight out. But if you notice, this bit of plastic is just over the tab, so it doesn't just come out that way. So you just got to slide it out from the left and then it'll unhook. But on this one, I was expecting to have to do some LED repair work on this, but as you can see, lots and lots of bulbs, and these black ones are the backlights. And on this, actually all I did, because it was the speedo wasn't working, I swapped this with a fuel tank, fuel gauge one, just to see what would happen. And just in the action of taking them off and putting them back on, obviously just cleaned up a dirty contact, because now everything works. So yeah, so not all these Nissans have LEDs as backlights. As you can see, this one, quite a few bulbs on it. So before you start worrying about have you got to start replacing the instrument cluster or giving it to someone to replace, or replace the LEDs yourself, take it out and have a look, because you might find it's just some bulbs, and that's all this one was. So hope that's helped, and might save you a little bit of money just for the sake of 10 minutes having a look.